Hi, welcome to this module on statistics. In this video, we shall be talking about the introduction to statistics. What exactly is statistics? And how statistics plays a vital role in the field of data analytics and data science. Basically, the statistical analysis is meant to collect and study information available in large quantities. Statistics is simply a branch of mathematics where computation is done over a bulk of data using charts, tables, graphs, etc. For example, you want to analyze two numerical columns. Let's say you have data. There are multiple columns in it. There could be name, gender, tenure, age, salary, so many things. Imagine you are analyzing two numerical attributes. Numerical attributes are those attributes those have data in format of numbers. For example, age. Let's say age of 10 customers that you have are something like this. Let's say we'll consider four examples. Similarly, we also have salary. Let's say the salary at age 25 is this, age 29 is around this, 31 is around this, and 35 is around this. And you start analyzing using some charts. There is a chart called as scatter plot. For example, age goes into the x-axis and salary goes into the y-axis. So let's try to plot each one of them roughly. Let's say we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Around 25 we have 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Now, if I plot this age 25 and 10,000 salary, which is somewhere around here, age 29 and 12,000 is somewhere around here, age 31 and 16,000 is somewhere around here, age 35 and 20,000 is somewhere around here. If I start plotting the graph, this is how the graph looks like, which clearly indicates that there is an increasing trend. That means if age increases, your salary increases as well. This is what the data is telling us using this particular chart. So statistics, as I told you, is nothing but a branch of mathematics where computation is done over a bulk of data using charts, tables, and graphs. The data collected for analysis here is called measurements. Now, if we have to measure the data based on a scenario, a sample is taken out of a population. Population is simply nothing but, imagine if I ask you to find the average age of people in Japan or Indonesia or Malaysia, wherever you are coming from. Let's say, how do you find the average age of people in Japan or in Hong Kong or in China? Now, definitely you are not going to ask each and every one of that country, right? For an example, we'll take an example. I'm not pretty sure about the population of Japan, but imagine the population of Japan is around 40 million. Imagine. Okay. Now, I'm not going to ask each one of them. Now, each one of them, asking each one of them is going to be, this entire thing is called as population, the entire 40 million. And taking feedbacks, taking outputs, taking statistics from a population is completely a different scenario, and it is not feasible. Usually what we do is we kind of do some sampling out of it. What if I go to different location, I talk to different kind of people, and I take a small chunk, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 people, and then I ask each one of them what is their age, and then take an average out of it, and just imagine the average age is 39. Now this is the average age of sample, not of the population, right? So this is the difference between population and sample. Definitely there are many and many sampling techniques that we will be covering in the future, based on which you can understand how samples are created in different scenarios. But for the time being, I hope you understand the difference between population and sample. Then analysis or calculation is done for the following measurement. I hope you got an initial idea about statistics. Statistics is very vital for data analytics, and we are going to learn a lots and lots of concepts related to statistics in our future videos. That's it for this particular video. See you in the next video. Bye.